All right, guys, what is up? In today's video, we are going to be talking about how to open up your seller's accounts, okay? We're going to be talking about Amazon and Walmart, so both of those are going to be in this video, but how to open up your actual seller accounts. Now, if you did not watch the previous video that I did on Tuesday, then you need to go and watch that, okay? That video was about how to get your business set up, how to get those documents and things that you need in order to open up your seller's account. Okay. So watch this video as well. Good information in this video, important information in this video to watch about your business, but also go watch the other one as well about some things that you need for your business. Okay. All right, but let's go ahead and get into today's video. We're going to be looking at Amazon, like I said, Amazon seller account and Walmart seller account. So let me go to the Amazon seller account and show you guys what that looks like. Get this pulled up. Okay. So what we need to do for Amazon, let's start here. What we need to do is we need to go to a computer. Okay, you're going to go to Google. So go to your computer, go to a friend's computer, go to a computer at the library, right? Go somewhere you can get on Google because you need to be able to do this to create your account. And what you're going to do on Google, you're just simply going to type in Amazon Seller Central. Okay. And it's going to come up right here, Amazon Seller Central. Welcome to Amazon Seller Central. There's a quick link as well for sign up. Okay. If you want to do that, you can do that. But let's click on this actual, like the main page so you guys can see what that looks like. So this is our Amazon main page here. This is the official Amazon.com. So you can see create an Amazon seller account. There's a sign up button here. There's also a sign up button near the top right area as well for you to sign up. The login button, of course, is if you already have an Amazon seller account. That's your login button, okay? But we're starting from scratch. We don't have one. So we got to do sign up. Now, for this Amazon seller account, okay, this is not the same as an Amazon customer account. Okay, so for the Amazon.com that you go to and you buy products from, you have your Prime shipping, your Prime account. That is not the same. This is something completely different. Okay, so you need to have an actual Amazon selling account. Okay, so let's get into this. What we do, of course, is we're going to hit on our sign up button. It's going to ask you to enter your mobile number or email in here. Okay. Now this is if you already have an account, it's trying to log you in. Okay. What you need to do as a beginner from scratch, at the bottom, there's a create your Amazon account. This is what you need to click on. Okay. So we're going to create our Amazon account. We're going to fill out some information here. Now, your email here, I highly recommend that you get a brand new email for your Amazon seller account. Okay. It does not have to be an official business email that you pay for, but just a brand new email. Okay. Gmail account, Yahoo account, something that you can connect to this Amazon Seller Central account that's not connected to anything else, that doesn't have a bunch of personal emails or a bunch of junk emails going to it. Amazon will send you emails. They like to send lots of emails. So just having something completely dedicated to Amazon can be helpful keeping things organized. You can use the same email for your Walmart sellers account as well, or you can just create a brand new one for your Walmart sellers account as well. Have one for Amazon, one for Walmart, completely dedicated to that, keeping things organized, keeping things separate, not a bunch of junk and personal emails going. Okay. So you're going to fill out this information. You're going to click next. It's going to take you through the steps of creating an Amazon account. Pretty simple. You just fill out the information. It's going to ask you for your business information, so the name of your business with that LLC, your EIN number with your LLC, your address with your LLC, your business address. Then it can ask for you and your address. It may ask for, it's going to ask what type of business you have. You have an LLC. Okay. So just fill out that information and then it's going to let you get into the Amazon Seller Central account. From there, it's going to ask you to connect a bank account. So get a business bank account and connect it to your Amazon Seller Central account. It's going to ask you to connect a credit card as well. Go ahead and do that. That's just in case, something happens, um, they can draft the credit card. So maybe your sales didn't cover your $40 a month Amazon Seller Central account fee. Amazon does charge $40 a month to have a seller's account. So they can draft it from the credit card versus taking it out of your sales. Also, if there's refunds or something from customers, they're going to take it from the credit card if you don't have enough sales in your account. Now, when I first got started, I did get drafted on my credit card. I didn't have any sales. I was just starting. I didn't have any products in my store. I was just starting. Okay. So like the first $40 was taken out of my credit card. The shipping that I had to buy when I first started selling products, it was taken out of my credit card because I didn't have any sales to take from. Okay. So be prepared for that. But you can quickly get sales. You can quickly get products in here. I was selling within my first month. So after I got my first products going, then everything was fine. My credit card was not being drafted anymore. It was all just coming out of the sales that I was making. Okay. All right. So that is Amazon. Okay. Now let's talk about Walmart. So for Walmart, creating a Walmart Seller Central account, then you want to go to Google again. You're going to type in Walmart Marketplace. Okay. Whenever you type in Walmart Marketplace, of course, hit enter, and it's going to come up with the Walmart Marketplace here. Let's grow together. This is what we want. Okay, so let's click on that. Let's see what it looks like for you guys. All right, so this is the official account or website that we're seeing, right? It says Walmart Marketplace. Talks about a little, they're having a convention coming up, things like that. It says let's grow together. There's a learn more button, things like that. And there's also a register button across the top. Okay, so that is for this San Diego. Okay, so don't click that one. That's for the San Diego convention. Okay, what we want to do, move my head over here, is we want to look at the join marketplace button. That's the button we want to click on. Okay, we want to join marketplace. So let me see if it takes it here. Okay, so this is what the sign up page looks like when you start to sell on Walmart. Okay, Walmart is a lot more picky. Okay, they especially want you to have all of your business documents ready to go. Okay, so please, please, please have all of that, have documents on your computer that you can submit to Walmart to show your articles of organization for your LLC completion, your SS4 form for your EIN number. They may ask for a business license. I know they asked me for it. After I got into Walmart, they came back and asked me for a business license. So then I had to go and get that. And that just comes from your city or your town that you live in or that your business is in. You would contact them for a business license. It can be done online and they email it to you like within, I think it was like 20 minutes. If that, they had it emailed to me. Okay. Um, so you got to have everything you need for Walmart. Walmart is also extremely picky. Once you are in Walmart, once you go through this process, like that is it. That is your business. That is your business information. Walmart does not allow any updates. Okay. So make sure your LLC is formed the way that you want it to be formed. Okay. If you use your home address for your LLC and you end up moving, okay, you can't change that on Walmart, right? If you try to change it, if you try to update your LLC, change the address, and then go into Walmart and say, hey, I need to update these documents, there is like it flags, okay? It flags thinking that you're trying to impersonate another business, and then it'll shut down your Walmart account, okay? So please be aware of that. Once you are in Walmart, you are in Walmart. Okay. So make sure everything is set up the way that you want it to be set up before you apply. Okay. So double check everything. Make sure that you're good to go. Okay. That's not to scare anybody. That's just to make sure you're prepared and you know what this is. Okay. Um, make sure you have everything set up. Now, Walmart, there is no monthly fee to have a Walmart seller's account. So that's a really good perk. With Walmart, they also have less fees overall that they take out whenever you sell an item, okay? Every time you sell something on Walmart or Amazon, they are going to charge fees. You are using their platform. Potentially, you're using their warehouses and their employees. Okay, so they're going to charge a fee. But Walmart is less. Okay, the fees they charge are less than Amazon charges. Okay. So you fill out your information, your business information, right? You put that in, your tax ID number, that's your EIN number. Okay. You put the primary contact information. Okay, that's going to be you. You're your primary contact for your business, right? So you can put that in there. And then you click on the check mark and you read over this, right? You can download it, you can read over it. Click that you've read it, and then you're going to click create account, right? Once you have everything filled in, the create account button will be open for you. And then Walmart is going to take their time on reviewing your application and getting you accepted into the Walmart marketplace. Okay. Walmart does take longer than Amazon does to approve these applications. They're going through, they're reading them, each one. They're making sure that all of the business documents are matching. Okay, so the address across all your business documents, that they're matching the name of your business across all your documents. They're matching. The EIN number, they are actually going to look it up with the IRS and make sure that it is an actual business. Okay. Now, the EIN number can take 30 days to be in the database. The IRS database takes a little bit of time. So if you try to apply for this Walmart marketplace before those 30 days, they can try to look it up, not find your business. They're going to deny you and say something along the lines of, your business does not qualify at this time. Your business does not match records. Your EIN number does not match records. We cannot find your business, something like that. Usually that's because it has not been long enough and the EIN is not in the database yet. So when they look it up, they can't find it. Okay. Um, Simply the fix for that, wait a little bit longer. Okay. It is also going to ask you for a website as you continue through here. You hit create account. It is going to ask you for a website as well. So you do need a website for Walmart. Okay. We talked about that in the previous video, getting your website set up with Wix. That is the quickest, easiest way to do it. Um, and and once they approve your account, they will send you an email saying it's been approved. You log into your account. You want to set up your bank account again, connect your bank account with Walmart. That way they can actually pay you. You're going to just verify. They may want you to verify again any business documents, make sure things are good there. And then they're going to let you in and actually start adding products to sell. Okay. So that's the process of going through your Amazon seller account creation and your Walmart seller account creation. Pretty straightforward. You just follow the steps. As long as you have all your documents up front, then it's pretty painless. The most painful thing about it is just going to be waiting for the approval. Of course, that's a big thing for everybody, right? Patience isn't always the best thing that we have as individuals, so that can probably be the hardest part, is just being patient and waiting for things. If for some reason Walmart denies you, okay, the first thing you want to do is double check your documents, make sure all your documents do match. And resubmit. Okay. Double check your documents, make sure everything's matching, make sure your website, double check your website, make sure nothing crazy happened. Um, maybe somehow AI did something crazy. Just make sure things look nice. Okay. You don't have to be a developer. You don't have to go in and write code. But just make sure everything looks nice, right? Nice and pretty. Um, and then resubmit, okay? If they ask you for additional documents, okay, they'll send you an email requesting additional documents sometimes. If they do that, reply to them, okay? They will only wait so long and then they'll move on, Okay, so if they're asking for additional documents, get that taken care of, reply to them, send them whatever they need. That way you can get through that process, okay? Yeah, so that is getting set up with your seller accounts. Next video, we're going to talk about what am I talking about? We're talking about the software, right? The software you need in order to sell on Walmart and Amazon. We're going to go over softwares. We're going to get in some deep dives. We're going to start doing some long videos because softwares in itself are long videos, lots of things to learn about softwares, about finding products, putting products on our stores and things like that. I'm also going to be uploading some videos as well, just personally about my Walmart marketplace because I am starting there. Starting kind of at the beginning with the Walmart. I'm still in my beginning stages there, getting things ramped up, doing Walmart fulfillment service. So I'm going to be posting some videos there. I'm just kind of what am I trying to say? Cataloging my growth and process through that. Okay. All right, well, hopefully this was helpful. Unfortunately, I can't go through like step by step with these signups because I already have accounts, so I can't create a second account. They only want one account per person, one account per business for both Walmart and Amazon, only one. So make sure everything is the way you want it to be before you sign up with these accounts. Okay. All right, guys. Well, that is that. Hopefully that was helpful, and I will see you guys on the next one.